Festival Indian Samuro. Nido Shani, Lucho Hani, Sugi, Today, Hui Chunga Yasaki, Unso Sumeto, Chikujan, China Hasana Bebe, Gujan number, and a common number, and a Kotu Geshe, Mushmenasha, Samolo Haya, and Hui Chunga Yasaki, Samaki, Sube, Mosohilia, Natri Babata, 3 doing it. Good evening,
everybody. Welcome to West Coast Chungar Celebration, Day 3. My name is Sri Yudin and I will be hosting tonight's cultural competition performances. And we will begin with introducing our judges for the evening.
Aras lucho yu grip soba ki nale thari din nale nyam na ni sale ka su ri chula jeza gezole ya da gendu i so ta thari de ya topa su de shu yu thari ka topa re ma mo chu cho.
So for tonight's culture competition we have Tibetan students from Portland Tibetan community and Tibetan students from Seattle Tibetan community and Tibetan students from San Francisco community participating in the culture competition, and we will begin to introduce the judges for tonight.
Canada, Montreal,
For the first judges, we have Mr. Pupasringla from Canada, Montreal. He joined Tibetan Institute of Performing Arts, only Tibetan School of Music and Traditional Tibetan Performing Arts. So he joined the institute in the 1960s and he studied and performed there for many years. And he has been one of the acting artistic director of TIPA also, and he has mentored many upcoming artists. And we are happy to have Mr. Pupasringla as our first judge. For our second judge, we have Nimagimula from our community here in San Francisco. Nimagimula has been a long-term support and a teacher and a mentor for San Francisco community. He joined TIPA at a very young age and has been an accomplished musician, opera singer, and a musician. And he has also served as a Tibetan culture dance teacher at SOS in Balakoli also. And he has some of the most accomplished Tibetan young artists here in the Bay Area was mentored by him, and today we see their strength and capabilities spreading out to the Tibetan community students today. And we are so happy to have Mr. Nimagimula in our judge, so please welcome Mr. Nimagimula.
Jadi board ini apa pergi risau kita yang cenderung mengenasya, ini itu dia boleh ada orang masih je, ada bodoh board yang cenderung cara mengenasya mereka, yang tersi dalam.
So for our third judge, we have Mr. Tashik Kutubla from Portland with us, and we are so happy to have him as our judge.
Yang tersi dalam, coba kita semua berjaya. Nanti sama lo, coba orang masuk lea, perso kita asyik cakap berjaya. Anda betul turun je syurona, simodi macam orang so, orang super sibuk sangat, orang suki, liusum orang suki syaya le, liudi naya baru syukurlah, thoma dari yang saya khas pinagre, ini yang saya khas pinagre, ini siapa khas pinagre. Jasa nama tu kasus syukur, orang tu sui men pada bah, kasus cuma syukur lah syukur nama ini. Jasa thoma ke yang saya tanah ini, orang tu Portland, Brisbane ke Lomani ini.
So the program begins with each group will be presenting a group song and a solo performance and a group dance, all leading to a traditional performance. So we will begin with Portland group as a group song.
Portland, Brisbane,